Future Leader Award. Each generation brings a different perspective, and this award seeks to recognise those rising stars, the pharma leaders of the future, for bringing a fresh approach to the industry. And presenting this award, please welcome on stage jury member and consultant Vikas Chatterjee, President of CSO of Pharma Tech. Hello. Who do we have in the running? Alan.
The contenders for this category are Paolo Rodriguez at Danville, Megan Smyth, Almac Sciences, Morgan Rex, Happy Jet Systems, Nagarjan Future Leader, May3 Drugs, and Jodie Winder, TriLink Pharmaceutical Services.
And now, to announce the winner, our rising star, it's over to Vikas for our winner.
I'm pleased to announce that the winner of this inaugural category is Megan Smyth.
Hello again. Hello, you're good to see you.
Thank you very much. I'm absolutely delighted to be the first recipient of this Future Leader category. I have to thank the judges and CPHI as well, and congratulate the other finalists. It's a real pleasure to be able to shine the spotlight on the work that we do at Almac, so thank you.